How to turn off the caps lock notification on your Windows 11. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are irritated with the caps lock notification on your Windows 11, then we have got you covered. So first of all, you need to open or tap on the search bar and type in Control Panel. Hit the enter button, and once you do it, it'll land you to another page. From here, you have to search for Ease of Access Center. However, if you cannot find it, make sure the view by is set up to large icons. After that, you can tap on Ease of Access Center, and from here, first of all, you need to select on Make the keyboard easier to use. Once you have clicked on the link, you have to make sure that you have unchecked Turn on Toggle Keys for the caps lock. Make sure both of this is unchecked. Now click on Apply and then on OK. Next up, tap on Make it easier to focus on a task. And from here, make sure that all the unnecessary animations has been turned off or unchecked as well. Then tap on Apply and OK. And this way, you have successfully turned off caps lock notification on your Windows. That is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.